2025 Honda Civic Type R. Starting at $46,690. Highs. Tenacious cornering abilities, potent and inspiring turbo power plant, intuitive and engaging manual transmission. Lows. Excessive road noise, needs a larger fuel tank, limited customization options. Verdict. The Civic Type R is both a practical track day weapon and a ridiculously fun daily driver. Overview. Long considered forbidden fruit in the US, the Honda Civic Type R made its officially sanctioned stateside debut for the 2017 model year. Since then, it's remained one of the most desirable cars among spirited drivers for its blend of performance and drivability. The current-gen Civic Type R debuted in 2023 with slightly less dramatic styling and cropped aerodynamic plumage, but with an eager turbo 4 under the hood churning 315 horsepower through a 6-speed manual we paid little notice. Still a track day toy with hellacious grip, it slips into daily driver duty effortlessly, fulfilling the single-car objective for enthusiasts at a competitive price. It competes against the even more feral Toyota GR Corolla, both aimed squarely at the elder statesman of the segment, the VW Golf R. Though all three approach the uncomfortable $50,000 mark, but considering the cost of infusing a standard Civic with Type R performance hardware, well, perhaps it's a bargain in disguise. What's new for 2025? The Honda Civic Type R returns unchanged for 2025, though its price increases by $800. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Honda Civic Type R starts at $46,690. Civic Type R. $46,690. The Honda Civic Type R's starting price is as competitive as its performance. With few options to tack on beyond its initial MSRP, the CTR is not only slightly cheaper than the Volkswagen Golf R, but it's also just below the price of the entry-level Toyota Supra. While personal preference will define if 2 seats are better than 4, the most powerful Civic Type R is ultimately an affordable sports car with 4 doors and a hatch. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Civic Type R is powered by the same turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder as the previous generation car, but a reworked turbocharger with a more efficient exhaust system increases output to 315 horsepower at 6,500 rpm with 310 pound-feet of torque at 2,600 to 4,000 rpm. The Civic Type R also benefits from additional improvements, such as a larger radiator and improved brake cooling. Honda has also increased the RPM at which the active exhaust valve opens to heighten the car's 4-cylinder symphony. A lighter flywheel paired with a revised rev match system further enhances the act of rowing the CTR's 6-speed manual transmission. The front drive-only Honda uses an innovative dual-axis strut front suspension that does a terrific job of suppressing the kind of annoying torque steer that can make the front end dart under hard acceleration. While the new Civic Type R isn't as visually extreme as the old one, it still sports a prominent rear wing and other aerodynamic addenda, as well as 19-inch wheels wrapped with sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4's performance tires. We also tested a 2023 Honda Civic Type R as part of a 0 to 150 to 0 speed test, where it returned to a stop in just 52.7 seconds, but its arch-rival, the Hyundai Elantra N, did it in 47.0 seconds. 0-60 mph times. At our test track, the Civic Type R bolted to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds and eclipsed the quarter-mile marker in 13.5 seconds at 106 miles per hour. More impressively, it circled our skid pad at 1.02 gs. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Civic Type R gets an EPA estimated 22 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. The Golf R leads by 3 mpg on the highway when fitted with the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic. During our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, the Civic Type R beat its estimate with 30 mpg. For more information about the Civic Type R's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Although the Civic Type R wears a minimalist interior design, at least compared to the previous generation CTR, it has no shortage of racy visual cues. The latter includes red accents, faux carbon fiber trim, and a familiar set of super comfy, highly supportive front seats. Just mind the ambient temperature before searing your palm on the aluminum shift knob. Atop the new digital cluster is a row of shift light indicators to help prevent slapping up against the red line between shifts. Passenger and cargo space are the same as the normal Civic hatchback, which should make the Civic Type R a great dual-purpose car. Infotainment and connectivity. Honda's latest infotainment system runs through a 9.0-inch touchscreen mounted on the Civic Type R's dashboard. It comes standard with popular features such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless smartphone charging. Safety and driver assistance features. While the more civilized Honda Civic has earned an IIHS Top Safety Pick Award, the Civic Type R hasn't been rated or crash tested by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, or the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. However, it does come with a host of standard driver assistance technology. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Honda provides average limited and powertrain warranties and includes 1 year of complimentary maintenance. Those who want more comprehensive coverage will want to check out Hyundai's plans, which are better in all 3 phases. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance covers 1 year or 12,000 miles.